If you want to flip just one layer in Photopea without flipping your entire image, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to flip a single layer, whether you want it horizontal or vertical, while keeping the rest of your project exactly the same. This is super useful for design edits, photo adjustments, and quick composition changes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel in the bottom right corner. This is where all of your layers are listed. The most important step is to click the exact layer you want to flip so it becomes highlighted. If you do not select the correct layer first, Photopea may apply the action to something else or not give you the result you want. Once your target layer is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Edit. From there, hover over Transform and then choose Flip horizontally if you want to mirror the layer from left to right. If you need to turn it upside down instead, choose Flip vertically. This method is very straightforward and is often the easiest option when you already know exactly what kind of flip you want. After you click the option, your selected layer will instantly flip and the rest of your canvas will stay untouched. Now, if you want another method, Photopea also gives you a free transform option. This is helpful if you want a little more control while working. With the correct layer still selected, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or CMD plus Option plus T on Mac. That will bring up the free transform box around your object. Once you see that transform box, right-click anywhere inside it. A menu will appear with flip options. Choose Flip horizontally or Flip vertically, depending on what you need. Then press Enter to confirm and apply the transformation. This second method is great if you are already resizing, rotating, or adjusting the layer and want to flip it as part of that workflow. One quick tip: always make sure you are flipping the layer you actually want before you apply the change. That simple habit can save you from having to undo and start over. And if you make a mistake, just press Ctrl plus Z on Windows or CMD plus Z on Mac to undo it instantly. So to recap, the fastest way to flip one layer in Photopea is to select the layer in the Layers panel, then use Edit, Transform, and Flip horizontally or Flip vertically. Or, if you want to use Free Transform, use the shortcut, right-click the box, and choose the Flip option from the menu. That's it. Now you know how to flip just one layer in Photopea the easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.